good evening.
Good evening.
First of all, congratulations for
Thank you
receiving
so
this
much.
award. May I know your good name?
Ashna.
Okay, so can you please introduce yourself?
So I am a content growth strategist
Okay,
and a youth motivational speaker. I've
okay,
been working for last 7 to 8 years.
okay.
My family and everyone lives in India. I keep hopping between Africa and Australia, Africa and India, because of my husband has his business there.
Okay,
So I've been working for last 7 years, and I had my share of ups and downs because I started working as a SEO analyst,
okay,
and at the age of 26, I was detected with an autoimmune disorder, that is multiple sclerosis, which
okay.
is a central nervous system disorder, which is not known by a lot of people in India. And by the time I learned to get out of it, I was detected with another disease called iritis. It is again an autoimmune disease. So because of that, I had no vision in my left eye,
Okay.
and it took me a little time to get through it, but then I found my own ways, and I believe that that is one thing, that you need to get in front of the camera and just admit who you are. So I started working in front of the camera rather than just running behind the camera,
Okay.
and I've had my clients all over India, Australia, Canada, and I've been working for a long time now.
That is great. So, how is your feeling right now after receiving this award?
I feel great. I feel little uplifted because
Okay.
the work we do, that has no it is not known to a lot of people. When we speak or when you're working as an influencer, and there's a big journey running behind the camera,
Right.
which no one knows. You have to get up, you have brand commitments, you're doing everything in the morning, but at night, in the morning, you cry, you're not feeling good, you have no choice when you have commitments. So the journey behind the camera is not known. The journey in front of the camera is known by a lot of people. You know, they come, they make videos, or they are content strategists, they are working on the scripts. Now when you have AI, there are a lot of people having these questions about, why do you need them? But there is a lot of difference in front of the camera and judging people behind the camera.
Yeah, that is a fantastic thing which you shared with me. So, well, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I probably just see running ahead and ahead with a lot of people knowing about what exactly is this
Okay.
arena, how do you deal with
How?
things. And I will be very, very honest, I do not have aspirations where I will say I want to be a millionaire, billionaire. No, I'm happy in the zone. I want to do good. I'm very happy because I don't come from that zone who sees reels and imagines that. I come from a zone where I have a husband, my in-laws backing me up. So for me, the dreams are not aspirational, not to become a millionaire, probably just to have my family around me happier, to just
That's
see what they
amazing.
want, and just hope that whatever they dream of, they get that person. That is really be my purpose.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Thanks for sharing your experience with
Okay.
me. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Same here.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.